Ethical issues in business can be a difficult challenge to navigate for any business owner. Though there are laws and statutes that exist to hold workers and employers accountable, these alone do not entirely deter employees from behaving unethically. Ethical issues in business encompasses a wide array of areas within an organization's ethical standards. Fundamental ethical issues in business include promoting conduct based on integrity and trust, but more complex issues include accommodating diversity, empathetic decision making, and compliance and governance that is consistent with the organization's core values. In order to manage the ethical issues in business that arise in an organization, it is necessary to develop a thorough understanding of what those issues can look like. Understanding how to detect and, most importantly, deter these issues before they become a problem can ensure that focus stays on business growth and success instead of remediation. Common issues in business are harassment and discrimination in the workplace, health and safety in the workplace, ethics in accounting practices, non-disclosure and corporate technology and privacy practices. In business, ethics is very important. The owners or promoters do not follow ethics. They will have ruined the banks, the suppliers and the employees. The wider public would suffer. However, in India, we have some really outstanding examples, and what we have is super very good practices from the outstanding examples. The final details of such examples are discussed in this video. When business ethics becomes more important than the business itself, magic happens. Business organization attains totally a history in business ethics itself. Taking the Tata Group as an example, some years ago, the Tata Group suffered a setback when one 5-star property in Mumbai was caught in the terrorist attack. The government stepped in and the militants were shot dead. However, the damage to the property ran into several thousands of crores. Ratan Tata, the then chairman, did something that is totally out of the world. He in fact taught the world some lessons in business ethics. Every single person who was affected, including those like Pav Bhaji vendor outside the hotel, was offered compensation running into several lakhs of rupees, the education of children of those affected, free medical facilities for those survivors and dependents at Tata hospitals for the rest of their lives. Total education of the 46 children who were affected by the bomb blast but survived to be taken up by the Tata Group in total, and formation of a trust for the rehabilitation of the families of the victims. Tata himself witnessed the families of each of the 80 employees affected by the bomb blast and offered compensation running into several lakhs of rupees. This was business ethics at its best. The story did not end there. Rupees 10,000 per month was also offered as compensation for policemen who had nothing to do with the blast at the hospital, but were involved elsewhere. Ratan Tata had clearly spelled what the Tata Group stands for to this day. Wipro Group, its chairman Azim Premji is prim in his views. He annoyed several other fellow capitalists when he said the rich people should pay more tax in response to some budget proposal. Not stopping there, he justified his views in many interviews as well. Wipro has spent upwards of some 900 crores in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, where it has helped build school infrastructure, improve standards of education and so on. Its donations to several government hospitals in Tamil Nadu is very much an example of the highest quality of business ethics. Within the organization, ethics is a way of life. Several years ago, a trade union leader was sacked on the spot in Mumbai when he faked a bill for Rs 20. A big strike followed. The strike went for 6 months, but the employee was not reinstated. Azim Premji said that he could rather close the office than reinstate the trade union leader. The employees called off strike after a period of 6 months. TVS Group Companies. The different TVS Group companies have one thing in common in all their factories. Each employees carry home a small gift in form of some eatable like small biscuit packet, a packet of banana chips and so on. This is illustrative of a philosophy of the TVS Group, care and share. This is also reflected in the fact that there are third generation employees happily working in the same TVS Group. The quality of the product of the TVS Group is world class, which itself communicates the best to the best in class customers like General Motors and Ford. Our ethical standards will always produce such products, TVS Group says. The Murugappa Group of companies in Chennai is another outstanding example of business ethics. They never bribe a single official. Everything is done in very transparent manner. The owners, all the people well known for their business ethics. In TVS and the Murugappa Group, even very small amounts are paid only through checks or through bank transfers. Business ethics also means that the organization's employees pay all their taxes in time and in total. In each of the aforesaid employees, income tax is deducted and paid to the government authorities right on time, making business ethics a way of life. Making business ethics a way of life naturally follows. In each of the outstanding examples discussed, one would notice that it is possible for business ethics to have continuous flow as it is to build the DNA of the organization itself. Asian Paints is another organization well known for business ethics. Similarly, Hero Group is also well known for high quality business ethics. Outstanding organizations offer such good variety of experiences in business ethics in a world where values are being adored all over. However, such short-term success will never stand the test of time. Only those organizations that follow business ethics in every walk of life like Tata, TVS, Wipro and Murugappa Group will continue to survive and grow as highly ethical organizations for generations to come and to be admired for such high-class values forever. Thank you.